Every year, Cornell Seismic Design constructs a 5-foot-tall balsa wood tower, which is sent to competition to be shaken under scaled real-world ground motions.
When rules are released, we create a structural design for the tower and analyze the building using competition ground motions. This helps us improve our design and create dampers for our towers.
Our tower is then constructed and tested to ensure its success at competition. We also produce an architectural rendering of the tower, along with a presentation that counts towards our competition scoring.
We got third place at the 2023 International Seismic Design Competition in San Francisco.
In 2022, we placed second place in Salt Lake City. Competition comes with lots of cost, which is why we need your support in achieving our goal of first place this year.
The structural design concentration uses the competition rules to create a full-scale, detailed structural design of the tower, which will be built by the entire team.
We use AutoCAD to create our 2D and 3D models of the tower, and then we use SAP 2000 to analyze the towers to ensure that they will withstand shaking and predict how the building will perform.
The goal of construction is to bring our 3D design to life. We do this by hosting construction shifts where each of the members come, cut out pieces, and glue them according to the design specifications.
Construction involves creating piece keys, cutting templates, as well as creating innovative solutions to construction problems.
The seismology concentration works with MATLAB in order to analyze ground motions and testing data to make predictions about our building, as well as making sure that we don't hit any resonance frequencies.
We also work on developing dampers, which serve to absorb any excess forces that may otherwise be exerted onto the structure.
The architecture concentration creates a lifelike design and rendering of the competition tower, inspired by the competition city and the structural model. We bring a creative perspective to our tower while using software like Rhino and Lumion to bring our drawings to life.
My favorite thing about competition was just seeing all the project come together. Every aspect from architecture, seismology, design, and even the presentation and the people that worked so hard to present it during Salt Lake City.
My favorite thing about going to competition was spending time with all of my closest friends, sharing meals, doing activities.
My favorite part of going to competition is just seeing these teams from all over the world and getting to talk to them about how they went through the design.
My favorite thing about going to competition, I'd say, is feeling a tangible accomplishment to all of our hard work. All the hours we put in, especially the team leads, they really deserved it. Not just to do well in the competition, but just to be there.
I just remember being so excited for Shake Day. It was announced that it was shaking in the weak direction, and she would be a little nervous, but I felt really confident in our design, and ultimately we did great, so I was really happy for the team.
I was confident that we had one of the strongest designs there, and I was really proud to see how our building performed.
It's just such a fun experience to see every other team's building shake, see a couple of them break, a couple of them hit resonance.
I was both confident in our building because I know we worked pretty hard on it, but I also saw other teams' buildings, and so I was a bit apprehensive.
So when it got to our turn, I was a little bit freaked out, but our building was stiff, it lasted, not even a crack, didn't even hear a thing. It was wonderful. I've learned a lot of technical skills for sure. I learned AutoCAD and SAP, which are both programs that I've never used before, and now I'm pretty good at them. But I've mostly just learned how to collaborate on a team.
I was able to kind of enhance the coding skills that I learned in classes.
I've also learned a lot of teamwork skills, just like working under pressure or like being able to brainstorm with other people in design meetings.
New softwares, new design concepts, what a damper is, and how they affect buildings.
In terms of the technical, I've definitely been able to expand on my knowledge about modeling and being able to use computer programs, and in terms of building that intuition, that's really helped me.
My favorite part about Cornell Seismic Design is by far the people.
My favorite part, I would say, is the family.
My favorite part about being in Cornell Seismic Design is the people.
I think my favorite part is definitely the people.
My favorite part is the people.
I truly feel that the current team leads and the current members are some of my closest friends, and they really make the team a special place for me.
The team always supports me through all my successes and helps me through my struggles academically and otherwise, and I'm really grateful for everything that the team has given me.